This is the MESO Hitch Pod, which is a universal rear light application that fits any standard 2-inch trailer hitch receptacle. It's made out of injection molded ABS plastic, so it will withstand anything you throw at it. Here's what you need for installation: step drill bit, a 2.5mm Allen key, a Sharpie, and I suggest some type of locking pin. That way it can't get stolen. Now let's go under the vehicle, show you how to install it. Now we're down at the hitch receiver. I'm going to show you how to mark the points. We don't drill the side holes just because different vehicles, different applications have the hole in different depths, and we want this thing flush all the way in. So removing this sticker gives you the instructions here. We're going to drop it in. Make sure that the holes are pointed down. That's the orientation of the pod. Take our Sharpie, mark one side, mark the other, take it out, and we'll drill it on the bench. Before installing the light, we're going to finish drilling these side holes. Take a step drill bit, get it centered, and go over to the other side. These can be a little oversized as long as that pin fits through. Now we're going to install the light. Take the Baja S1, drop it through the hole. You'll notice the orientation of the mounting holes down at the bottom. Put it in and lock it in. Take your Allen screws and start threading them in the side. Start one, over to the other. And now fully tighten them down. Make sure the head drops all the way below for a flush install. That way it won't hang up when you put it into the receiver. Now with the side holes drilled, the light installed, we're going to go ahead and mount it up, fishing the wire through there, dropping it in, and mounting the lock. From here, you can finish the wiring, install it to the switch of your choice, or tap off the reverse light. In the future, we will offer some plug-and-play vehicle-specific harnesses, but as of now, it'll just be the light in the pod itself.